Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can duplicate a project in Davinci Resolve. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Davinci Resolve. So here is my project. So you simply need to click on this home icon in the bottom, and then you need to click on this list view, and from here you simply need to click here and click on save as, and here you need to add the name. So I'm going to add copy project, and then you need to click on save. You need to wait for a few seconds here, and here you can see that a copy will be created, and now you simply need to select it, and here you can see the copy project. So this is the process how you can easily duplicate a project in Davinci Resolve. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.